It's a great industry. Duct cleaning is where carpet cleaning was back in the late 60s and early 70s.
I'll tell you, so like a basic air duct package, $800–900 in that range. It's very seldom that that's all the guys walking out the door with.
Indoor air quality is just becoming top of mind for homeowners. Dust, allergies, mold issues, suspect mold issues, fungus, germs, COPD, breathing issues. These are all coming up more and more because our house construction now is tighter and tighter. We don't let fresh outdoor air into our homes anymore unless we're opening windows or opening doors. So this is an industry that is just taking off. The big thing about duct cleaning is cash flow. When you work directly for the homeowner, you go and you do the work, you're done in 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, however long that project takes you, and you're finished, you've done a great job, you ask for payment. You get paid immediately.
The brush piece comes standard with the all-new Speed Tray Carrier assembly, which has various storage options and holders for your multiple power tools and brushes, fogger, and even a cup holder. Power and functionality have finally come together. It's the most powerful and portable air duct cleaner on the market. A single person can carry this beast up a ladder.
Went to Grapevine, Texas, checked out Rotobrush, checked with negative air companies. And since I was going to be the guy in the field to start with, and the first 1,000 jobs we did, I was the guy in the field, I wanted the product that worked the best and had easiest use, and that ended up being the Rotobrush product.
I chose Rotobrush because when I started my buying process with them, I felt the way they conducted their business was the way I conducted my business. It was a very easy process. They allowed me to do my shopping, and they made me feel comfortable with the purchase that I was about to make.
Rotobrush, the leader in indoor air quality for over 25 years. Call us today at 1-800-535-3878.